For the Good Day video, we used a program called After Effects, one of the programs in Adobe, in the Adobe suite. So basically that program allowed us to basically cut ourselves out of different frames and create duplicates of ourselves and move ourselves in different places. So that's how we got that cool effect in the video. Actually, the easiest part was the background musicians, because basically there's two of us, so we had two on one side, two on the other side, and we never crossed. So we just kind of cut those videos in half and then put them together. So we used the After Effects to put us performing in front of the band, and that was the hard part. There's this tool called Rotoscoping. It's a beta version of the program. I know it's very nerdy right now. So basically they put out this beta program to kind of have it out there and to kind of see like where the bugs are and stuff, and there were a lot of bugs. First of all, I thought I could put the whole thing in there, like a whole 4-minute video, and it would just work, but it like crashed my computer like 4 different times. So basically you draw around what you're trying to cut out of the frame, just like a rough outline, and then it, by this computer magic or whatever, it like goes through frame by frame and cuts out that person, even with like all the movement and stuff. So I tried to do that like all at once for one video, and it was like taking 2 hours to go through each frame. Like a 4 or 5 minute video, we're talking like it was over 6,000 frames. And then when I got to the end of that 2 hours, it would like report an error. So I just like wasted 2 hours. I spent like a whole day just doing that. Mike B, shout out to Mike B. Whoop.
Mike B?
He suggested that I just do like a little clip. So that's why you only see like maybe a couple of seconds of us like with the band, because it's like basically all of my computer could handle, all the program could handle or something. If I went more than 90 frames, it would get like kind of funky on me. Usually most of them were between like 30 and 70, but even then, like I would go through it, it would trace everything, and then all of a sudden like his arm would be missing for no reason. And
I like both of my arms, I'll be honest.
Why did it not cut out? So I did have to trace like a lot of them. There's probably like 20 something times where you see us and the band, and each of those times probably at 30 to 70 frames. So just like think about tracing something 30 to 70 times and doing that for 20 different instances.
I have very limited Adobe Premiere experience. I have a hard time with making a title come in and go, bah, I feel accomplished. That's a lot.
It was a good day for you. It was a nightmare for me.
I see what you did there.
A lot of stuff happened on we talk about the shoot day. First of all, I had the wrong lens. We
had to go get one.
I like kept backing up. I'm like, I can't see everybody. We were on the clock too, so we got to go to the store, get a zoom lens, come back. And then like one of the lights started smoking or something.
Which is usually a bad sign, I'll be honest.
This is a bad sign.
That was fun. And the process was, Zap had it all planned out. We had to do, so basically us as the leads first, and then we recorded that within a certain, area in the room so that we wouldn't block the view of the other band members once we put them in. So yeah, we had to do a whole lot of like pretending that the other people were also in the shot and like kind of interact with them once in a while. And I mean, you saw the way Zap edited it together. It looked pretty great. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun doing all of that. So all this is pretty new to me. I'm not much of a in front of the camera person.
Like it was a learning experience because we tried something that we kind of never tried before. And so basically it was just us, talent and crew. It was just us. Like there was no cameraman for this actual video. So we just set up the camera in like the places that we wanted to, and then we just cut it from there. And so it was really cool that we were able to like pull that off. And then,
a shout out to London for helping us. London Dexter.
London was there
for helping us set up and order
chicken.
Ah, man, it's always chicken, man.
It's always chicken. It's so good.
Watch the video 20 more times.
25 more times.
Hey, he's not wrong. 25 more times than as many times as you watched it. Like a math? I'm trying to get all mathematical in here, man. I mean, it's 2021.
I'm trying to get all mathematical with you, yo.
Mathematical.
Actually, this video did extremely well. In less than 24 hours, it shot up to like our second most popular video. So that's like, we're really grateful for that. So keep watching it, keep sharing it.
Absolutely.
And then tell people to hit that subscribe button. That really helps us out. Hit the like button, leave a comment, let you know. Let us know what you think about the video. And yeah, like Jericho said, we got some more stuff coming out, so stay tuned.
Hot.
It's gonna be the hotness.
Hot like fire, man.
Hot like fire. I spit hot fire.
Dun, 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 dun.